times and the bad times and everything that we did it for. I need air and I can't breathe without you. What am I living for? Tired of all the BS and all the stress that been building up. Everything that we've been through, do we gotta ask if it's real enough? Headphones to block the world, cause everybody be in our ear. It's supposed to be our year, it's everything that we both feared. It's you and me, we here, right? You close to me in near sight. Make a wrong turn, we steer right. We got a goals, career, life. Every night you're the first to last, my everything. Very white, we lovers and friends and we very tight. And don't believe the contrary hype. We still got another century, just cruising, we not done. We can leave town, just us two. We load up and you shotgun. The last would subdue me and fuck everybody that knew me. This love ain't forever, doesn't last like a movie. But we carry on and we live life, do everything to get right. All I need in this life is seeing my girlfriend this night. If the world would end tonight, I know I would have you by my side. Down the ride to the very end, you're all I need in this life is sin. Always here to wipe your tears, thick and thin through all these years. Down the ride to the very end, you're all I need in this life is sin. It's us against the world, just you and me, my girlfriend. It's us against the world, together till the world ends. It's us against the world. Say fuck you to the ones who talk. It's us against the world. You and me, we can't be stopped. No fear, it's so clear. I try even if she hurt me. Your love,